Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today's going to be a little bit of a different one. I'm not doing makeup, other than what I already have on my face. But during the Sephora sale, I picked up a couple of perfumes. And when I got home, I realized I have a lot of perfumes that I've never shared with you guys. So I just thought I'd kind of go over the things that I have and just show them to you really quickly. I will leave like what the notes and the fragrance family is and all that stuff down below for you guys. Don't want to go into a great deal about it because there's a lot here. And when I say a lot, I mean I have this. And I love these little teeny ones you get with like the deluxe sample things. And then I also save all of my little teeny ones for when we travel. I can take these along instead. So since there's so many, let's just get started on all this. So I'm going to start with the big bottles and get those out of the way first. First one I've got is the Daisy by Marc Jacobs. It's the Oh So Fresh. So this is a cute little bottle. It's just such a classic everyday kind of wear type thing. So something you could wear to work, something you could wear out on a date, just all the time. It's a great fresh scent. So I love this one. Also, this was easily my first perfume that I ever fell in love with and decided I had to splurge and buy the bottle. So this is the Oscar de la Renta perfume. This just takes me back. Oh, yeah, it's so good. And it's hard to tell because the lid comes way down, but I've used quite a bit of this before, so I really love this one. And like I said, it's probably, I was in my 20s when I decided to go ahead and buy something like that. Not that bottle, but another one. Now, if you guys happen to have Fry's Electronics anywhere near you, at least the one in my area, they have an entire line, I mean like a row in their store of dupes for fragrances. And when I say like a whole, it's probably 25 feet long, and I think there was like 5 or 6 shelves of them. And they also have testers out there so you can actually smell them. Now, here's the problem. I don't remember what they were actual dupes for, but I can take a look. So this one is called Kimberly Le Femme. And, I mean, it's just a beautiful bottle. These are $5 each. $5. So if you're on a budget, oh, I think that is for, I will look it up online and I'll put that down here too. I cannot think of it for the life of me. And then this is another really just beautiful bottle. It's called Nikita. It looks like a little apple. I don't think I bought it because it was a dupe for something. I think I bought it because I really like the bottle. Because they have some beautiful bottles too. Yeah, but this one's a very, very clean smelling one too. A little bit fruity, but just wouldn't that just make a beautiful gift? Especially if you know somebody, like you have grandkids and they're in school and they want to get their teacher a gift. How appropriate would that be? Just give them an apple. Now, I love this one too. I love, 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 love. I hate the bottle. So this is by Terry Mugler. I can't ever say that. It's the Muse. I did not like the Alien and I didn't like the other one he's got, but this one, oh, it's so beautiful. My room's going to stink up in here soon. It's yummy. But this is the bottle. There's nothing for it to stand in. And what do you do with the bottle? I guess you either find something you can set it in, or I just lay mine down. But it's so good smelling. I love this one. Okay, I'm going to save the Rollerballs for last. Oh, here's another one. My C. I love Giorgio Armani's C perfume. They have one that's got a black lid on it, and then there's this one. Oh, I actually talked my husband into buying this one for me, but this one is just so good too, so I love it. And then I love to save those little beautiful perfume samples that you get, or maybe you cash in some of your Sephora points. So these are by Kat Von D. It's the Saint in the Center ones. And honestly, I've never even opened these up to see what the bottles look like. Oh, they're pretty. So that's Center. And this is Saint. So not as pretty as the real ones. This is another small Saint, and it's got the design on it, but if you looked at the real bottle of it, I'll put a picture in here too. It's like around the glass. It's something that just like covers it, so it's so pretty. So yeah, I got those, and then I have a Stella McCartney Pop. Love that one too. Actually, I have two of these. One I still have in the box, and the other one I have out. So that one's hiding in here. So I've got two of those. And let's just go into all these little tiny ones now. I got a Gucci. And of course I can never read the name on these things because they're so tiny. So I will put the titles down below as well. I've got a Harvey Prince. This one's called Hello. And this one is Marquesa Perfume Exchange. It's probably on the name at the bottom of the bottle there, but so I've got Marquesa, and I've got Dior. Yeah, pretty. Toka. Which Toka this is? Oh, it says on the front, and I can't read it. You know what? Hold on. Hold on. See if this helps at all. Oh yeah. So this is a Toka. I think it says Toka Primrose? I don't know. Can't tell. And then this one is, it's got to be a flower bomb. Yeah. So this is a little flower bomb one that I have. Oops. Aryan Mediterranean Honeysuckle. Ooh. I have a rollerball of that. Yeah, that's pretty. And then I have a Miss Dior. And then I have this one. This is a Victor and Rolf, but I don't know what, which one of them it is. So again, I will leave a little card down below. So that covers all the little ones. Now, if you guys have never heard of Scentbird, it's a monthly subscription. You can get perfumes. What's cool about it is it comes in like a case like this. So your first case you get free. You can buy additional ones. They're like $15. And they come in a wide range of colors. So the perfume like pops up and then you spray it. So what's neat about it is you can take them out when you get your next month's one. And again, these refills are $14.95. You pop that one in, or you can just buy a whole bunch of different colors. So I kind of weeded through some of my perfumes because some of the ones they sent me I didn't really care for. So this one here is the Prada Candy. Focus. So it has the name on that. I wish they had a way of putting it on the top because you don't know what it is until you like take it out. So Prada Candy. This one is the Prada Candy Leal. And then last but not least, I've got the Estee Lauder Modern Muse. So those are great for traveling with, by the way, you guys, because this is protecting the glass. You get to it really easy. It's small, it's compact. You're not bringing some big bottle with you, or bring a rollerball or travel size one that's going to break like I had happen one time. Luckily, I had it inside a plastic bag because it just got ruined. So, so those are the Scentbirds I do have still. I gifted a lot of them because I just had so much perfume. So I gave a lot of them away, but I love it. What's nice is you can pick which scent is going to be sent to you that month. So they have like well over 200 different ones, and they're high-end brands, as you can see. So you can like set them up. Okay, next month I want this one. The following month I want this one. And they will actually send you those. And if you want to buy additional ones, you can do that too. They sell full-size products as well. So that's that. And then I have all these little sample ones that you get like when you check out at Sephora and they tell you to pick 2 sample things. I get these because these are great to travel with too. So like here I've got 3 of the Dior's right there. So, you know, these last quite a while too. So depending how long your trip is, just throw a bunch of these in a baggie, take them with you, and you're good to go. I had so many of these that not last Christmas, but the Christmas before. I just took handfuls of these and I saved some of my Itsy bags. So I put them in the Christmas stockings for both my daughters and both my daughter-in-laws. And they just loved it. And there was a few that they traded back and forth, which is great. That's fine. I don't know what kind they like, so now they have a great selection. But literally each one probably got about that many of them in their little Itsy bags too. Okay, let me get this out of the way so we can move on to the roller balls. All right, I've divided these into 2 different categories. So these are the ones that reach for all the time. These are the ones that kind of get maybe a little bit forgotten about, but I still really like them. So I'm going to start with that one first. First one in here is Roses de Chloe. So if you love the rose scent, you will like this one too. This is the type of thing you don't want to wear in the winter, so it's just more like a spring and the summer type one. I should be pointing out which ones are roller balls and which one are travel sprays, so that's a roller ball. Then I have the English Laundry, yeah, Parfum. I don't even know where I got this. I don't think I bought it. So this is a travel spray. I think what that reminds me of. It's definitely floral. Oh, it's really pretty. All right, next I have the Nest Dahlia and Vines. And this is a roller ball. Oh, definitely floral, but it smells so yummy. Then I have a Juicy Couture. I Am Juicy Couture. Roller ball. Oh, that one's so good too. I'm so bad about wearing them all the time. All right, this is a dupe one. So I got this at Fry's as well, and I want to say it was like $2. So this is a dupe for Flower Bomb. So that is a roller ball. And then I have a Love Shirley, S-U-R-E-L-Y, not like Shirley the name. And this was a dupe for something too. I can't tell by the scent. I'll have to look that one up as well. Sorry guys, but and this is another one I got at Fry's for a couple of bucks. And then I also got Hidden Desire, which is another dupe. Ooh, I don't know what that's for. Okay, I'll have to look that one up too. So let's move on to the ones I wear a lot, which is all these. Okay, this until yesterday was my favorite, and you can see I'm like down to nothing in this. So this is the YSL Mon Paris. I love the bottle, I love the scent, I love everything about this, and I wish I was rich enough that I could buy the full-size bottle of this, but when this runs out, I'll definitely be getting another one. This is a spray. I shouldn't be spraying it. Oh, but this is so beautiful. Love, 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 love this one. And then the one that replaced it, It's the Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb Nectar. Oh my God. This is a travel spray. It's a little spendy. It's 32. I love this. I already put it on today, but I'll do it again. It smells so yummy. Oh my gosh. If you guys love like fruity florals, you will want this one. Even if you don't like fruity florals, you'll probably want this one. If you're ever in Sephora Ulta and you get a chance to smell this, smell it. Make sure it's the Flower Bomb Nectar one. Oh, it's just heaven. So this has become my new #1. Sorry, Mark Perry, here's close second. Then I've got some Marc Jacobs. I got a couple of them. I've got Daisy and Daisy Dream. So I've got 2 of those, which again are wonderful. This is my daughter's very, very favorite, so I know I can never go wrong getting this as a gift for her. Then I've got some Giorgio Armani's. Yes. So I've got also a Rollerball with the C because I like to take this when I travel. Then I have the Sun di Giorgio. That one's another beautiful one. All right, and then the last Giorgio Armani one I have is yet another C, and I cannot read what that says at the bottom, but it's just lovely. I did buy this during the Sephora VIP sale, and I ordered it online even though I'd never smelled it because I figured if I like the other C's, I'm going to like this one as well. So it's delish. All right, this is an Ariana Grande, and it's sweet like candy. So if you like super sweet, super, super sweet, this is the one you'll want. And I thought I had another one. I do. So then I have also Ari by Ariana Grande. I can't say her name either. Ooh, just stuck my lip in it. So this is another, not as sweet as the Sweet Like Candy, but another sweet scented one. All right, we have 2 more and then we're done. So the next one is, oh, this is another Flower Bomb Rollerball that I have because, again, I like to take them when I travel. I usually wrap them up in bubble wrap now and do them individually in their own little bags, and I've been having better luck that way. Okay, and the last one, this is another one I love so much. A friend of mine moved down to California a while back. Her name's Leah, and I miss her terribly. And she was over one day, and I did her makeup, and I had a sample of this, and we both smelled it and fell in love with it. So I went and I bought 2 of them, so I gave one to her as her going away gift. But this is the Lancôme La Vie est Belle. I never say, French things right. So this is another Rollerball, but it's absolutely delicious. Oh, it smells like I said everything else. It smells so good. If they didn't smell good, I wouldn't have them. So that's for sure. So I think that wraps everything up. That's all my perfumes. Do me a favor, you guys. I'd love to know what you guys have for your favorite perfume or perfumes if you have more than one. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you like. And also let me know if you're getting any during the Sephora sale too. Love to hear that as well. So thanks so much for watching. Sorry if I got a little jumbled in there, but it was hard to see some of the names on these bottles. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already. And if you're subscribed and not getting a notification when I upload new videos, make sure that you click on that bell too. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, I love you all. Until next time, bye-bye.